What up, y'all? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. I just did this mushroom sirloin. I put garlic in the pan along with salt and pepper and just cut it up. I'm gonna do some burritos here in a moment, okay? Watch. There's that pico I make. I show you how to do it in another burrito video. If you want to check that out, it's hell easy. You can actually just look in there. There's lemon juice in there as well. But yeah, let's get to it. Got some black beans too. My light's not working right now, you guys. But trust me, those are black beans. This phone's plugged into the charger right now too. I don't know why the flash isn't working. Stupid shit. And this awesome cheese. The cotija, the Mexican shit. If you don't know, you should figure it out. Come on, guys. Cotija. There's that steak all chopped up, all ready to go. I had some of this Mexi blend cheese too. Throw that on there. Melt it. Yeah. Put some beans down. Black beans. Some of that steak. Some of that pico. The cotija. Rest of that cilantro. And some hot sauce. See that right there? Some of that sour cream. Now we're gonna roll it up. And there you go. Motherfucking burrito. Yeah, looking beautiful. I only had the one burrito tortilla left, so that's it for the burritos. This is a couple tacos. I got one already, I'll show you. Friggin' beautiful, you guys. Check that out. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. I put some cheese down. I'm gonna put the lid on for a minute and let it melt. And when it's starting to look melty, like so, put some more stuff on, like the steak. Just like that. And instead of everything else one by one, I just put them all on. There's pico, cotija, and black beans. And then you fold it over. And there you go, on that taco. Looking all beautiful. Check it out. Damn. And there we go, you guys. Check those out. Alright, guys. I'm out. Try this at home. You're gonna love it. It's so easy. Please smash that like button and subscribe button. Feel free to leave a comment and please share with your friends. And check out one of these next videos on screen. I love you guys. Have a great night. Peace.